Hello, I thought I'd do a review on my new Braun Series 3 ProSkin. It says close shave smooth skin. I'm not being paid to do this, I just thought it'd be another video to do. The reason why I've got this is my old one. It still works, but it's kind of got a bit broken on the back. All these bits fell off it. It still works, but it's just battery on it's going and all these bits broken off. So I thought maybe about time I bought a new one. Got this in Boots in Chesterfield. This was about £109.99, but it was on the special. There's like a sales thing, and it was now £54.99. And plus, I got a new foil, which was £24.99. Because these foils are very delicate. They don't last all that too long. I don't know if you can see that, but you can just see like so thin and delicate. As I said, they do tend to break, as you can see there. I'll show you another one. That one's not so bad, but that one does seem to. They also seem to break at the corners. It's another one. So once they start to break, it's about the time to get a new one. So anyway, that's why I got this new one. So it's like a spare one, really. So let's open this one up. Efficiency skin comfort. Captures more hair in the first stroke, it says. Have to unbreak the seal, really. So we've got, like, maybe that's instructions there. I expect that's a charger. Got a cap. Oh, that's the actual shaver and the brush. That's it. So let's compare the old one with the new one. Slightly different design. So that tells you the battery's flat. So that's low on charge. You can see. This is supposed to have, as you can see, that has a beard trimmer, and this one doesn't. Well, it does, but this one's broken. And then just to clean it, you just simply pull it off. That's what it looks like inside. Clever thing is, you can go back on either way round, like that, and it follows the contours of your skin. The old one seems to have a lock, so I don't know, but this one doesn't, but it doesn't really matter. Inside the manual, so you can take the top off like I showed you a bit earlier, and you can get different parts, different shaving foils, and it just shows you all the different, how it works, how it fits together, shows you like how you can clean it. But I'll show you how I clean it. Before I do that, this manual, see, it's quite a thick manual, but the trouble is, they always do this, I find, like in 10 million different languages. This is the old cleaning unit I've got. It's got alcohol in it, not you drink it, but you press this button on the side there and you pull out, that's like the cleaning fluid there. That's the new clean one, and you just simply pull this tab off very carefully, and it only goes in one way, so this little bit here goes in there. And you put it back down again, and you heard it go click. Hopefully this new one fits in perfectly. I'll just show you something. If I press, see, that's the, can you see them little spikes just there? Well, they fit into that bit there, so that goes in there, and in the back power cord goes in there. If you want to buy these cartridges, this is what to look out for. Braun Series Clean and Renew cartridges. Lemon fresh. Shavers feel like new every day, and it's a 3-pack. Can't remember how much they are now. Over £30, I think. And it shows you how to use it on the back. So I've just done. Well, I normally keep it. I've got the plug here, so I plug it in. I don't know if you can quite see that. If I just turn the light off, you can see that blue. That means it's turned on. You can see that green light better. That means it's charging. And obviously that, now where that blue light that is there, that tells you how full or empty the cartridge is. As it's a brand new one, it's completely full. And where that goes there, I press that down. That's what it sounds like when it's actually cleaning in progress, making a little funny noise like that. All it's basically doing through those two little holes is it's cleaning it out. And just to clean it, this top bit's a separate piece. This comes off, that's what it looks like inside. That looks like there. Get a brush and just clean it and then do the same. And when you finish cleaning it, doesn't matter which way, just go on either that way or that way. The design, so it doesn't matter which way round, go either, like as I said, that way or that way. It clips back on again. Well, I forgot to show you, down there, there's two little holes where it shoots the alcohol up to the area and it cleans it. Don't know how well you can see, but there are actually two little holes in there where you can, where the alcohol gets shoved or sprayed through and then into there, and that's how it cleans it. And then to get it going, you've got this button here, and then you get the trimmer to work, press that go. Now interestingly, if I turn that off, see, that doesn't work. For that trimmer to work, it has to be turned on. You can't just do what I've just done. You can't turn that on and expect it to work. This whole unit has to be on, not just that, like so. I think you get the idea. And that's my quick review of the Braun Series 3 shaver. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.